But overall, my channel this month got.
What's up, y'all? We back with another video. Today we gonna be doing something crazily different, all type of different, extravagantly different, expeditiously different. You know what I'm talking about. And before y'all even get on my headband, man, y'all, you know what they say? Fake it till you make it, man. I'm faking it till I make it, man. Let's get back to what the point at hand is. Today we gonna be doing paying somebody on Fiverr to grow my YouTube channel for a week. Now we gonna pay them, man. The range gonna go from range to range. Well, I don't really know I'm gonna pay them yet. I haven't looked yet, but this idea popped in my head. Today we're gonna be paying somebody to grow my YouTube channel in 1 week on Fiverr. Now Fiverr, man, it's a pretty big platform, man. If y'all seen some of my other videos, y'all seen my stocks, man. I got stocks in Fiverr, man. I think that thing going up. I see y'all when we go check out the Fiverr offers, and I'm gonna pick which one I want to grow my YouTube channel, man. I see y'all there. Y'all gonna see me in a couple seconds, man. Hold on. All right, bro, we back. And as y'all can see, we on Fiverr right now. Now we gonna look for the best deals, man. I'm about to see what the best bang for the buck I can get, man. I'm about to see the best bang for the buck I can get in this. So let me look through a couple of these listings, man. All right, the first one we see, growth manager. He gonna grow my YouTube. He gonna be my manager. Man, that's not really what I'm looking for, man. I feel like I can manage my own channel, man. You know, I feel like I can do this myself, man. Man, I'm looking for more type ads type stuff. I'm just trying to test out, experiment, you know. Okay, this dude right here, he don't look too bad. He said, I will do YouTube shout out on my 500K channel and grow subs. Now 500K, that's a lot of subscribers, man. To me, I'm only at 500, no K. He at 500K. All right, so we gonna see what this dude talking about, man. $10, man, I got that. Oh, and he a black dude, man. You know I gotta support my black people, man. You know I gotta support the black businesses, the black Fiverr, whatever. If you black, man, I'm supporting you, man. So you already know I'm getting this one, bro. Anthony Taylor, and he quick. 1 hour response time, man. Bro, this dude better not let me down, because I'm talking highly on his name right now, bro. He better not let me down. We gonna go on to the next one, man. Let me look for another one. CEO optimized. I don't know about that. I don't know what that is. Organic YouTube. Dude named Johnson. Johnson 360, man. I don't know if I trust no dude named Johnson. Hey, my bad if your name Johnson, but I'm just saying, man. You ain't trustworthy, bro. Your name Johnson, bro. I had a bad experience with a couple Johnsons, bro. I don't know about that. Let's see what he talking about, man. Okay, he got the little emoji as his profile picture, man. Hope this dude don't be playing games on my channel, man. This dude 3-day delivery too, man. He got ad campaign. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, bro. This dude looking cool right now, bro. He looking cool right now. He looking alright. I might have to check him out. Yeah, he looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna go with bro right here. I'm gonna go ahead, check out, and I'm gonna see y'all on the first day to see if we got any growth. Man, I see y'all there. So we back with day 2. As y'all can see, in the last 2 days, my views skyrocketed. As you guys can see right here, I got 1.3K views on this one video in the past 2 days. So I'm pretty happy about this. And this led me to believe that these views is pretty organic. They not fake, y'all. They not fake. So the Fiverr dude, he did his shit, man. He did his stuff, y'all. So if we go down here, it said the traffic source types, and it say about 50% of my video views came from YouTube search and 83% came from external. Now I don't know what this guy used to get me views, what ads he used. He might have made some ads, he might have posted some stuff in Facebook groups. I don't really know what he did, but he did his stuff, y'all. So we're gonna move on to day 3, and I'm gonna see y'all in day 3. This was a little short recap on what happened today. I'll see y'all in day 3. Let's go. It's day 3 and the order has been delivered. Yes, sir. The order has been delivered, y'all. Alright, so we about 50% done with this challenge. We still got to promote another video just so I can make this challenge a whole week long, but we halfway through the challenge. And as y'all seen in the last clip, I'm pretty excited and I'm pretty happy with the results that my man got me for $5, man. I'm pretty excited with the results. As y'all seen in the last clip, The views were organic, man. I got about 9 comments, 17 likes, and 1,000 views on that video. So Fiverr, man, I'm gonna have to give y'all a thumbs up. I'm gonna have to put my arm up for y'all, man. As y'all can see, my order got delivered today, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and prove the delivery. Yep. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. But we filming a video right here. I can't leave a review, man. Maybe later, but not right now. So we back, and we back on the other dude's page. Now, y'all know this is day 3, so we gotta pick a new video promote. I just came out with a new video on how to open an LLC. If y'all haven't seen that, check it out, man. I got good tips on y'all. I'm gonna leave it up there for y'all just so y'all can click on it. But we on a new seller right now. We on a new seller right now, man. If y'all remember, this the Nigerian dude, man. Shout out to all my people in Nigeria, man. Shout out to everybody over there. And we gonna be checking this dude out, man. I got high hopes for him, man. Black excellence and all that. He black, man. I'm trying to see what he can do with my channel. So I'm gonna promote that video, and I'm gonna update y'all tomorrow to see how the video did. And man, I hope it's better than the first one, cause as y'all can see, it's double the price. I paid $5 for the last one. This one's $10, man. Hopefully I get double the results, but we'll see in the next day, man. I'll see y'all. Being day 4, and you guys know, as y'all seen in the last day, we done got us a new Fiverr offer to look at for the week, man. So we about to see what this dude did to my YouTube account, if he got me any more likes, views, comments, whatever, y'all. So that's what we gonna check out right now. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we had a total of 295 views in total of the video. So in the last 48 hours, we done got about 250 views on the total video, y'all. So that's 309 minutes on the channel, and that's not looking too bad. I did pay $10 for this guy, bro. Now I did pay $10 for this dude right here, and I don't really know why I paid double the price for a quarter of the performance of the first guy. So that's already off to a bad start for him. But overall, as y'all can see, it looked pretty good, y'all. It looked pretty certified in my eyes. I'm happy with the 250 views. Y'all know I'm a small channel. I'm still happy with the views. Man, I really did this as an experiment just to see what would happen if I paid somebody on Fiverr to promote my video for me. Overall, I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty happy with the total performance of the channel. Now, I would go ahead and finish this week off on day 7 or whatever, but the guy actually has submitted the order for me. So the 2 Fiverr challenges, the 2 Fiverr orders, they up, man. They up. I could buy another Fiverr gig, but I'm thinking about saving that for the next video. So if y'all want to see something going on with more Fiverr, I know, and I'm enjoying doing these Fiverr videos. If you guys like these Fiverr videos, let me know down in the comments below. So we gonna move on to day 5. If there's any improvements in day 5, I'll let y'all know. But as I think right now, I don't think there's gonna be no more improvements to the channel, and we might be done with this challenge, y'all. Alright, y'all, we back. It's the last video I'm recording for this challenge. Before I even go on to what I'm about to say, I want to apologize to you guys that this challenge was not a week long like it was supposed to be. Now, the Fiverr orders, they cut them a little bit short. This challenge was supposed to be 6 to 7 days long. Unfortunately, the challenge was only 4 or 5 days long, man. That's tough. You know what they say? That's tough, man. But it was a pretty good experiment to see what Fiverr could do for my channel, and possibly what it could do for you guys' channel if you guys interested in Fiverr. And I will be leaving a link in the description to my affiliate link for Fiverr. But overall, my channel this month got 1.8k views. Total, this is my first month on YouTube. 1.8k views. I'm pretty proud of that, man. But 1.8k views, man, I attribute about 1,000 views or so to that Fiverr. So 800 views, I would say I got on my own. 1,000 of the views came from traffic from Fiverr. Man, if you guys want to use Fiverr, man, I recommend it, man. I'm overall happy with the results, especially from the first gig. He got one of them videos that I posted to 1.3k views, man. That was one of my videos I put a lot of time into. Me personally, I'm happy with the results, man. But that's gonna wrap up the video, y'all. I want to tell y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for viewing my vision, and I'll see y'all in the next video. We out.